So we did the classic, try to do our own self-leveler and didn't put the primer down because I don't know, we were stupid. We thought we would already prime the floor with paint primer. And so our floor cracked a ton. It's a disaster zone, and we've been trying and freaking out, thinking about what it's gonna be like to break it up. But actually, super easy to do. Really clean. We did this with a hammer, chisel, crowbar.
Big crowbar.
Pretty easy. So, you've got this, people. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so easy. Wow. Well, that's the good news, folks.